Welcome to In Conversation with Himali. Hope you all are doing well. NGO Drop Dead Run by my honorable guest today, Mr. Abid Surti, who is saving the country one drop at a time, fixing leaking taps in 10,000 city homes in perhaps just 6 years, and saving several millions of liters of water. He resides in Mumbai and very well understands how precious water is. But that's not all. He's an author, painter, a cartoonist, playwright, screenwriter, journalist, and an environmentalist. Wow. He has also he has also been acknowledged as the father of Indian comics. He was born in Gujarat and moved to Mumbai to obtain a diploma from the JJ School of Arts. The list of his creative accomplishments befits half a dozen people rather than just one individual. And no matter how much I talk about him, it's never going to be enough. He has also, by the way, authored over 80 books, short stories, poetry collections, plays, and film scripts. In 1993, he was conferred a National Award for Literature by the President of India for his short story collection titled Teesri Aankh. Welcome, sir, and thank you so much for agreeing to speak to us.
Pleasure.
So, I would straight away, begin with my question session, and I would like to ask you to tell us how you became an author. Was it always, in you to write, or how did it come to you?
Basically, I am a painter. And to survive as a painter, it's a very expensive hobby or a profession, whatever you call it. Mm-hmm. You have to buy canvases, which are very expensive. Colors, imported colors, again, they are also very expensive. To survive as a painter, I had to pick up whatever I could do. And I realized that writing comes easily to me.
Oh, wow.
Remember, writing, I took... not because I'm a committed writer, just because I wanted to get some money through writing.
I understand.
So, and I realized it is very easy to do story writing or novel writing or play writing. In other words, I would say that whatever is creative, whatever field is creative, I am there. I can do it very easily. So cartooning also I picked up just to survive as a painter.
Right.
So there was no commitment to writing, no commitment to cartooning. ये दोनों चल पड़े ये और बात है.
Kamal hai, sir. Wonderful. And sir, I also understand that you were a cartoonist. So how did that come from?
Because basically I said I am a painter. So cartooning is part of art. Figure drawing, anatomy, everything is related to art, painting, right. Figure drawing. So that was not difficult. Again, I would say that I had picked up cartooning because I wanted money to join JJ School of Art. My family was very poor. They had told me that they have given me enough education, that means up to 10th.
All right.
Basic 10th. Then I wanted to join college, JJ College of Art. So they politely refused me. We don't have that much fun in the house. We are barely surviving. So if you want to join JJ School of Art, you will have to find your own resources. So I thought, what can I do? So writing also I picked up, cartooning also I picked up, and I joined Bollywood. At that time, we used to call it film industry.
All right.
As a spot boy. Wow. A spot boy means like a canteen boy, cleaning floor. Heroine के सैंडल चमकाओ, उसके कपड़े ले आओ, ये करो, वो छोटे छोटे काम जो होते हैं ना, जो कैंटीन बॉय करता है, वो सारे मेरे जिम्मे एज ए स्पॉट बॉय.
Outstanding.
तो ये सारा सब कुछ मैंने किया. When I went to Bollywood, I realized, not me, I'm sorry, they all realized that this boy is something different. He is not a canteen boy because during the breaks, I used to take Sharad Babu's novels and I used to read it. So they used to wonder that this canteen boy is reading Sharad Babu. So they started investigating and they realized that I am a writer also. It's a very
Wow.
interesting incident.
Uh-huh.
How they got the idea that I am a writer. Once I was polishing our heroine Supriya Chaudhary was sitting on a chair. Next to her, another character, some Chandrima Bhaduri. She was also sitting there, and I was polishing this heroine's shoes, sitting at her feet and polishing it. Chandrima was reading Dharmyug.
Okay.
Dharmyug, in which my story had appeared. This is a very interesting story.
Wow.
My story had appeared in that. And she started discussing with Supriya. Okay, this Abid Surti, who is this guy? He is writing such a beautiful story. So she said, what name did you say? Okay, Abid Surti. The boy is here.
My
She
goodness.
pulled away her feet. अपने पाँव खींच लिए उसने. So now everyone came to know that I am a story writer also. So they shifted me from fourth assistant, that is a spot boy, to third assistant.
Wow.
Now I've got a dignified job, dignified work. Then they shifted me to this editing, where I learned how to cut shots and how to direct. If you know the editing, you can direct a film very beautifully.
Okay.
So all this training, all this knowledge was very helpful to me to make my comics.
Wow.
In comics, I used to write script and instructions I used to give. I need close up here. I need long shot on this panel. I need mid shot. I need top shot, long shot. So I trained quite a few artists, and that is the reason my comics became very more popular than anyone else's comic.
Absolutely. In fact, I would like to say something here for my audience that Abidji has breathed life into one of India's first and most loved comic superheroes. Anyone at all who has ever flipped through an issue of Indrajal comics will remember the exploits of Bahadur. And you can see that picture right behind where Mr. Surti is sitting. Yeah, that is something I remember in my childhood, sir. Wonderful. You made our childhood so beautiful.
There were many characters I introduced.
Is that right?
Like Inspector Azad.
Oh, yes.
Which was Raj Kapoor's favorite.
Oh,
and
right.
He wanted to make film on Inspector Azad.
All right.
So that from comic to film.
Wonderful. And even Dabbuji, right, sir?
Dabbuji was there. I don't know कितने साल चला. So for 30 years non-stop.
No wonder you're called as the father of Indian comics.
And it is still continuing. Dabbuji, now National Book Trust has compiled 2 volumes of Dabbuji comics and all digitalized.
Amazing.
This is information for my fans.
Amazing, sir. Yes, I am one of them too. And in fact, it was such a delight to watch you on interacting with our biggest star from Bollywood, which is Amitabh Bachchan. And the interaction that you had over there was absolutely fantastic. And we saw an 80 plus year old man, young man, should I say, absolutely rocking the stage.
That was 5 years back. You say 80 years of my age. So that was 5 years back, that interview.
Oh,
and
wow.
In that interview, And sorry, in that interview, he had asked me how much water you have saved.
Yes.
And we had calculated, and it came to 20 million liters of water I saved single-handedly.
20
One
million
man
liters.
liters, one man
Sir.
NGO.
Wow. Sir, how does this, how did this thought of educating and helping people save water come to your mind?
Save water came, 1 second, somebody is at the door, 1 second.
Sure. My question was, sir, that how did this thought of educating and helping people save water come to your mind?
Water is connected to me right from the childhood because I grew up on the pavement. और pavement पर परवरिश होना, I mean, then you know the value of water. सबेरे 4 बजे, early in the morning, before sunrise, my mother used to stand in the queue just for 1 bucket of water. तो कभी मुझे भी साथ ले जाती थी और इसी तरह मुझे पानी की वैल्यू पता चली कि एक एक बकेट के लिए कैसी लड़ाइयां होती थी और कैसी मारपीट होती थी और उसमें कभी पानी मिलता था, कभी नहीं मिलता था। तो ये सारी लड़ाइयां जो मैंने देखी, तो बचपन तो पीछे छूट गया, लेकिन ये लड़ाइयां मेरे साथ साथ चली। तो जब मैं किसी दोस्त के घर जाता था, या आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट आफ्टर लिविंग द कॉलेज, दोस्तों के घर जाता था, देखता था कहीं एक नल टपक रहा है, somewhere, maybe I'm sitting in the hall or balcony with my friend, और नल टपक रहा है in the bathroom or kitchen or somewhere else in the house, but my ears were so sensitive, and even today they are sensitive. I can pick up the sound of dripping water wherever it is dripping.
Wow.
So I used to tell them, please जरा इसको ठीक करवा लो. They would say, हाँ हाँ हो जाएगा हो जाएगा. After 6 months, I visited the same friend once again, and the same tap was leaking. Wow. So I told them, यार तेरे को बोला था ना कि इसको रिपेयर करवा ले. Why didn't you do it? I just got little angry.
Yeah.
He also started firing me. His argument was कि चंद बूंदे ही तो जा रही है ना. Only few drops.
Yes,
are being dripped. कोई गंगा नहीं बह रही है, क्यों माथापच्ची कर रहे हो? And then he gave me one more point. That was for छोटे काम के लिए प्लम्बर नहीं आते.
बिल्कुल सही है.
इन दोनों के जवाब मेरे पास नहीं थे. So I kept on thinking. After 1 month or more, I got the answer. When I was going through a magazine article on water, which said that in 1 second, 1 drop drips, then in 1 month, 1,000 liters of water goes down the drain.
Really?
Imagine 1,000 liters of water means 1,000 bottles of water, drinking water going down the drain. It hit me so hard that I got the idea also. I got the answer also. I got the idea also.
Okay.
Idea was very simple. एक plumber को hire करो. Just hire one plumber and go to all friends' houses one Sunday morning and correct their leaking faucets.
You make it sound so simple, but obviously it wasn't.
So it was not I did not have anything in my mind that I'm going to start forever. But when I did once with the plumber, I felt that there was some peace inside me. The agony had subsided about water. जैसे कहते हैं कि भाई एक बहुत ही सुख मिला मुझे और मेरा दर्द जो था वो बहुत कम हो गया. तो मैंने कहा ये काम को आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए.
जी.
So ये नींव पड़ी. This was the foundation of my one-man NGO.
Fantastic, fantastic. Now, sir, I'm saying that do you have more members who have joined you to take this cause ahead?
Now it has become a global movement.
Can you tell us about this?
Thanks to digital, even you are from Singapore, you are talking to me.
Yes, sir.
So it has reached even from world over. Filmmakers are coming to Mira Road, where I stay in Mumbai.
Right.
Filmmaker coming from Germany, even from Singapore, one team came.
Yes.
And they made a beautiful film on my work.
Right, sir.
So it has become global because the simple reason is that now we have got digital links.
Right, sir.
Communication has become so easy.
That's right.
कि हाँ, आप वहां घर में बैठिए, मैं यहाँ बैठ के देख सकता हूँ. इतना कम्युनिकेशन पहले नहीं था. Every Sunday I am giving 2 hours, maximum 3 hours. We target one building, take permission from the secretary. We put up our poster on the ground floor, जो 1 हफ्ते तक नीचे रहेगा, और लोग उस बिल्डिंग में रहने वाले, they will see it.
Right.
Every day they will see. और वो लोग जो देखेंगे वो drop dead जो बड़े फॉन्ट में है. और जो छोटे टाइप में लिखा हुआ है, save every drop और drop dead. तो drop dead हैमर होता रहेगा, drop dead, drop dead, drop dead. So on Saturday, this is from Monday to Saturday. On Saturday, through watchman of the building, हम हमारे पैम्पलेट घर घर में पहुंचा देते हैं.
अच्छा.
घर घर में जाने से लोगों को पता चलता है कि भाई ये ड्रॉप डेड है, कोई फाउंडेशन है, और ये लोग कोई मार्केटिंग के लिए नहीं आ रहे हैं.
हाँ जी.
कोई चीज बेचने के लिए, या इनका कोई पॉलिटिकल एजेंडा भी नहीं है.
Right.
एंड दे आर जस्ट कमिंग फॉर ए कॉज. तो हमारे लिए दरवाजे खुल जाते हैं.
Sir, have you ever faced a no, when you were trying to help somebody? Have you ever faced a no?
पहले शुरू में जब मैं और प्लम्बर 2 लोग थे, हम लोग दोनों जाते थे. In spite of taking permission of the secretary, in spite of sending pamphlets explaining what is our intentions, फिर भी कुछ 2-3 लोग ऐसे मिल जाते थे महीने में, या हर बिल्डिंग में से 1 पकड़ लो
जी, या
2 पकड़ लो. तो वो देखकर दरवाजा फट से बंद कर देते थे.
अच्छा.
यानी दरवाजा मुंह पर मारना है. to wonder why they are getting so wild, why disturb. तो बाद में सोचने पर पता चला कि सबसे आगे जो है घंटी बजाने वाला जो हमारा प्लम्बर है, जो पुराना प्लम्बर था, फर्स्ट प्लम्बर,
अच्छा,
वेरी नाइस गाय. हाँ, वो घंटी बजाता था, दरवाजा खुलता था, तो सबसे पहले उसका चेहरा नजर आता था, और उसका चेहरा टेररिस्ट बिन लादेन जैसा था. तो जो सीनियर सिटीजन्स जो थे वो डर जाते थे और दरवाजा बंद कर देते थे. So then I started looking for a beautiful girl or a beautiful lady like you.
Oh, thank you.
As a volunteer, अब वो आगे खड़ी रहती है. अच्छा. उसके पीछे मैं खड़ा रहता हूँ और मेरे पीछे प्लम्बर रहता है, तो प्लम्बर दिखाई नहीं देगा.
क्या बात है.
तो वो घंटी बजाती है. बजाने के बाद में दरवाजा थोड़ा सा खुलता है, और the volunteer, she gives a broad smile.
Yep.
And खुल जा सिम सिम.
क्या बात. Well done, well done. So you found a way out, no matter.
Correct.
And sir, I've heard that you have held 16 painting exhibitions in India as well as abroad. Could you share a little bit about your painting styles, please?
Painting जरा क्या कहते हैं, मेरा ट्रैक जो था पेंटिंग में थोड़ा टेढ़ा था। टेढ़ा से मतलब ये है कि जैसे मैंने जो 5 शो किए वो तो फ्लॉप किए,
Okay.
5 फ्लॉप शोज।
All right.
एक शो फ्रॉम 50 इन 60s टिल 69, एक शो में मेरे 5-10 हजार रुपये खर्च होते थे उस दौर के हिसाब से।
Oh, that's expensive.
और
Yes.
मैं आखिरी शो जो है दिसंबर में 69 दिसंबर में करने जा रहा था, दैट वाज द लास्ट। कर्जा बहुत चढ़ गया था, घर में राशन नहीं था। वो जो शो जो था वो सुपर हिट हो गया। सुपर हिट
Oh,
हो गया तो मतलब ये कि
congratulations.
सारे पेंटिंग बिक गए।
क्या बात सर।
हाँ, और सारा कर्जा उतर गया, सबका पेमेंट कर दिया सबका, और कुछ पैसा बचा तो बीवी के हाथ में भी दे दीजिए।
So what was special about those paintings, sir?
This I had invented a new technique called mirror collage, in which I used pieces of mirror and acrylic colors on the canvas. Stick the mirror, create a design that you will find my total collection in the film, which films division has made on my name, Abid.
Really?
That whole film is on that.
Wow.
So what I want to convey is कि एग्जीबिशन हिट हो गया, सारे पेंटिंग बिक गए, सो आई वाज टेम्प्टेड टू मेक अनदर सेम स्टाइल। दूसरा भी बनाया, दूसरा भी बिक गया पूरा, फिर तीसरा बनाया, वो भी बिक गया, तो आई स्टॉप मेकिंग इट। अगर मैं कंटिन्यू करता सेम स्टाइल में, तो आज मैं करोड़पति अरबपति जो कहो सो, वो मेरा इकोनॉमिकल पोजीशन होता। लेकिन मेरा इकोनॉमिकल पोजीशन इस वक्त ये है कि मैक्सिमम आई अर्न according to my requirement is 15,000 rupees. I can live happily. I am living alone, so I can live very happily with one bicycle.
Oh, what an amazing man you are.
I didn't develop my style because, again, as I said, मैं assembly line painter बनना नहीं चाहता था. So every time I came out with a different techniques, different styles.
All right.
और पेंटर जो है, जिनकी कोई पेंटिंग कामयाब हो गई, तो देन दे विल फॉलो इट, और जिंदगी भर उसी को फॉलो करते रहे
जी।
तो मैं उससे दूर रहना चाहता था। तो इसीलिए मेरा ब्रांडिंग नहीं बन सका एज ए पेंटर।
राइट।
एग्जाम्पल मैं देता हूँ कि आज आप किसी का भी पेंटर ले लो, पिकासो का ले लो, तो आप दूर से 1 माइल दूर से देख सकते हो, you know that this is Picasso,
yes,
or this is Gauguin, or this is Van Gogh.
Absolutely.
Right? तो मेरे जो है हर एग्जीबिशन 16 जो किए मैंने, 16 के 16 टोटली डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स में। अच्छा, एक और मिसाल देता हूँ। रिसेंटली आई वाज इन लास्ट ईयर और ईयर बिफोर आई वाज इन सिंगापुर। I went to see some museum. In that museum, my mirror collage technique, which I had introduced in 1969, was thoroughly used in that museum.
Right.
So I had taken some photographs of that and photographs of my paintings, और वो मैंने Facebook पर अपलोड किया था मेरे फैंस के लिए कि देखो ये आइडिया जो 69 में हम लोगों ने यहाँ इंडिया में मैंने वर्कआउट किया था, वो आज भी उतना ही वो स्टाइल लोगों को पसंद है, और ये लेटेस्ट म्यूजियम में the way they have used it is just similar to what I had done. And from where did I get that idea of mirror collage? Because I had been to Rajasthan, where ladies वहां के गांव खेड़े में विलेजेस में जाएंगे हम, तो लेडीज दे डेकोरेट देयर डोर्स, देयर वॉल्स, तो इन दैट दे पुट अप मिरर पीसेस,
Uh-huh.
चिपका देंगे एक मिरर का, और दोनों तरफ एक एक पिकॉक बना देंगे या एक एक पैरेट बना देंगे.
जी.
सो दैट स्ट्रक मी कि इसका मॉडर्न यूज हो सकता है.
All
सो आई
right.
वाज इंस्पायर्ड फ्रॉम दैट.
All right. What is success to you?
Success, I never think of success. I never think of failure. My pleasure is in the process.
Lovely.
अब मैं पेंटिंग बनाया, 10 पेंटिंग बनाया, नहीं बिकते हैं, तो इट डजंट मेक एनी डिफरेंस टू मी. इकोनॉमिकली थोड़ा फर्क पड़ेगा, लेकिन वो डिफरेंस नहीं पड़ता कि नहीं बिके या अब मैं कुछ नया इसमें डालू, ये करूँ, वो कुछ नहीं. आई लव whatever I love, I do it.
Right.
And like writing a novel, my पहली मेरी 5-6 किताबें आफ्टर द फर्स्ट वन जो लकीली छप गई थी, पब्लिशर ने ले लिए, बाद में 5 नॉवेल नहीं छपे.
Right.
तो नहीं छपे तो नहीं छपे. हाँ, फिर एक साथ कोई पब्लिशर मिला, उसने पूरा सेट छाप दिया. कहने का मतलब ये है कि द प्लेजर इज इन द प्रोसेस, नॉट इन सक्सेस और फेलियर.
Wow. The pleasure is in the process. Very well said. So, sir, would you agree that you have inspired many people around you and beyond? Would you agree with that?
Yeah, certainly. Again, that is my pleasure that people like my way of thinking. They like the way I create different in different creative fields. I go
Yes.
and create something new, like playwriting. Now, I had nothing to do with play. Nothing to do means in college days I used to do inter-college competition. I used to do some plays there. That's all. Then somebody came to me and he had some extra money. So he said, Abid, let's make a play. So I told him, look, I'm talking about 80s. मैंने कहा उसमें खर्च जो है करीब करीब एक प्ले प्रोड्यूस करने का, रिलीज करने का कम से कम 1 लाख रुपया आएगा. 89 में 1 लाख रुपया बहुत बड़ी बात.
बहुत बड़ी बात.
He said, don't worry. He said, don't worry. I have got extra money.
Okay.
तो फिर मैंने now this first time इस तरह की ऑफर आई to write a play, to direct a play, and it was a challenge to me.
Of course.
I accepted the challenge and played. पहली बात तो ये कि यहाँ बम्बई में, मुंबई में या प्रोबेबली इंडिया में भी ओरिजिनल प्ले लेकर कोई नहीं आता. जो प्ले आते हैं थिएटर में, वो चाहे वो शेक्सपियर का हो या किसी मराठी से लिया हुआ हो, मराठी ने इंग्लिश से लिया है, इस तरह सब एक दूसरे के ओरिजिनल बड़े बहुत मुश्किल से 1-2 मिल जाएंगे आपको. So I came with the original play. राधे राधे हम सब आधे.
राधे राधे हम सब आधे. अच्छा.
Yeah, that was the title, and title conveyed that don't laugh at handicapped people or what. There are some new words for handicap.
Right.
So आप उन पर मत हंसिए, हम सब handicap हैं.
Beautiful. So there was a message behind there, right?
There was a message there, and it turned out to be a super hit play.
Oh, it did?
50 houseful shows in which about 20 to 25 shows at Prithvi Theatre, which is a prestigious theatre in Mumbai.
Sir, thank you so much for sharing all this with us, but I will request you to please leave a message behind for my viewers.
Message is related to water. Now, right now, I'm in that mode or that mood. So I tell my people that if I can save 20 million liters of water single-handedly, you too can.
Thank you so much, sir. You are indeed an inspiration. My viewers, you can follow him on the links that will be added in the description. If you wish to join or be a part of his cause, you may connect with him directly. And let us do our part, because we do know that water is very precious. It is that one little step that he suggests that we take and create